Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Maybe you are thinking, is it really true to make this kind of amount? Yes guys, just 7 seconds video on TikTok just got 246.26k revenue, okay, using affiliate commission. I will show you the exact results, and obviously I will show you the video that already made this revenue, and also the seller account, that's mean the TikTok account. Finally, I will show you the process how you can make this kind of videos using AI tools. So let's get started. So step number 1, you have to create a brand new TikTok account, and obviously niche based account. So if you are new here and if you don't know what is niche, so I will request to watch my other videos, and also you can search on YouTube and you will find the good ideas. Okay, so it's pretty simple. That's mean if you are interested in fitness, so you can create a fitness gym account or this kind of account. Okay, also you can share tips and tricks and your real exercise or any kind of practices. Also you can create different kind of clothing brands that you are really familiar and interested on this. Okay, so there are several types of niches, so you can work on it. Okay, so number 1, you have to create a brand new TikTok account, and I think you can do it very easily. And the second step is you have to analyze the video. That's mean which product do you want to promote, that's mean the best selling product. So for that we can use the tools or software, web application, whatever you call, it's called colladata.com, the best tool for TikTok shop analytics and insights. So this is one of the greatest tool right now for TikTok shop. Alright, so our second step is find out the videos. Okay, so let's click on the video and you will find lots of best selling videos. Already they made huge number of revenue. In this thumbnail you are seeing 246.26k revenue. Okay, so let's find out. Here you go. The number 1 product, items sold 4105 and the revenue 246.26k, and the views, that's been this video got 1.78 million views. That really insane. And the product is, here you go, the product nice day steppers for exercise stair stepper. All right, so we will explore this product. So let's find out the video. So this video only 7 seconds. Can you imagine this? 7 seconds video just got this number of revenue. How? It's 100% legit guys. So let's see the video. No voiceover, no script, just video, 7 seconds video. Alright guys, so if you are interested in, you can analyze this metrics like the second video, which is 1 minute 26 seconds, and this is really crazy. Items sold 13,830 items sold guys, and the revenue is 228.06k. all right, and the million views, wow, 6.69 million views. Maybe this item is pretty cheaper than this. Okay, alright guys, so you can check it out and you can find different kind of products and the revenue. And also you might be thinking this, the revenue, is it total revenue or particular for this video revenue? So let's check this out. Click on revenue and you will find the metric definition. That's mean if category is selected, the revenue is specifically for the selected categories and date, not overall revenue. Only count videos with products. That's mean only this 7 seconds video made 246.26k revenue. It is really true. So our second step is done. That's mean we finally found our best selling product, this product. So if you want to find this kind of product, so let's click on the product. Alright guys, so this is the product. Okay, so we can find on also Amazon. I will show you later how we can find on Amazon. Also you can promote through your AI videos like YouTube shorts, also TikTok videos, Instagram reels, and all over the social media you can spread the video. Okay, it's really easy guys. Also you can find out this their core metrics. That's mean how many revenues they got last 7 days for selling this product. And also you can find the creators. That's mean the creators who are already making money to promoting this product, and she's the number 1 27.8k followers and revenue, and she's the second position. Wow, this is a crazy followers. And the third one and fourth one, so these people are also promoting this product and they are making money. Alright guys, so as I told you, I will show you the product. So this is the product, and let's see the creators. That's mean that this seller already making this number of money. Click on that and we'll find the creators account. She just put it there, get your step ins. This is pretty simple titles and just using this kind of hashtags, and this is the seller. That's mean this is the creator or influencer, whatever you tell. This is the creator. Also we already got it from here, the number one, she. Okay, alright guys, we are on the account like feed by Lies, and the followers 1 million likes, and this video made the revenue. Okay guys, alright guys, so far we have done the analysis. That's mean our second step was finding the product. Also we have done like different kind of analysis, the product and the account. Alright guys, and you will find the same products, similar products. So let's see the best seller. Alright guys, so we got the product. Okay, so we have to create the videos on that product, and we'll be using AI tools, and we'll be creating AI videos. Alright guys, and that will be our final step, creating AI videos. Okay, so let's jump into our AI tools. So before jumping to next video, if you are new here, so don't forget to subscribe. Alright guys, and the on important thing, so how you can join the Amazon Affiliate Associate. So you will get lots of videos on YouTube, Amazon Associated Affiliate account. So it's really easy, just few steps you have done. Alright guys, and you will find a URL that you need to promote. Okay, so let's jump into our AI tools. It's called flexclip.com. So in this tutorial I'll be using these tools, and I will show you how easily you can create AI videos using these tools. And once you create the AI videos, you can upload on TikTok, you can upload on Twitter, LinkedIn, Instagram, YouTube as well as. So check out this website and click on AI, and you will find the AI text to video, AI video script, AI block to video, translator, text to speech, image generator, auto subtitle, and AI background remover. In this tutorial I'm going to use AI text to video. So if you are new here, so let's sign up, and once you sign up just click on login button. So I have already an account and I'm going to log in with this. So you can log in or sign up with your Facebook account or Google account. Also you can input your email address. So I'm going to use my Gmail account. Alright guys, this is the FlexClips dashboard, and it's pretty simple and most user-friendly interface. Okay, so AI video generator. So click on this AI video generator. We have just got two options like AI text to video. Also we can generate from text prompt and the article or URL to video. So first of all we are going to try AI text to video. So click on that. So this is the options, we have to write it here, our prompt or text. Alright guys, so this is the prompt section. I just wrote it here, create a video about the benefits of using fitness stepper at home. Alright, and scroll down, you will find the styles. That's when the captions style, and make sure this. Okay, so whatever you like, so just click on that. Also you can find the different styles over there. Okay, so I think this is the cool. Okay, cool text, I like it. Okay, and also make sure the ratio, which is really important. So make sure this 9:16, which is perfect for TikTok shorts, and make sure if you want to give a title over there. Okay, so let's click on generate. Alright guys, we got 4 scenes over there. Okay, so let's click on add to timeline. 28 seconds video, and the ratio is perfectly matched with TikTok, 9:16 ratio. And each and every section you can edit, like if you want to change the background, also you can change. Also you can edit the script over there. Just click on that and it will come up like a subtitle, so you can write it over here if you want to change each and every parts. Alright guys, and this is the soundtrack guys. So if you want to delete this, so just click on delete. It will delete it because I don't want a music copyright strike. So that's why I always prefer to remove the music title or music. Okay, so this is the final output guys. Alright guys, so it's time to download. Just click on export button and you will find export settings over there like resolutions. So make sure 180 pixel and frame ratio, so make sure always 30 fps or 60 fps, whatever you want, and quality, recommended quality also. So let's click on export. So I just try to show each and every part, and I just show you the analysis so that you can understand, and it's up to you guys how you can take it seriously. Comment below and don't forget to subscribe. I will come back with another tutorial. So have a good day. Tata, bye bye.